Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 13 of building your own Batmobile Tumbler, the big beastie Batmobile from the Dark Knight Rises. The Dark Knight, indeed, the entire trilogy. Let's have a look. The Tumbler's last stunt, they obviously blew it up a bit. It didn't survive, did it? It didn't turn into the bike, didn't it? Yeah, the bike came out of it because it got blown up a bit. Yeah, there we go. Batman of Zurilar. No, Zurilar. No. Batman. Yeah, I mean, Zurilar sounds very League of Assassins type thing. Might well be. I'm not going to read all the words, so you can read them yourself if you want to find out. And indeed, read another page from Batman's history. Let's have a look. The instructions for today. We've got a couple of bits that are glued in place. Another method of fixing. And then we're using some more sticky double-sided tape to put that bit in place from last time. And then we're left with another big bit. And then we're going to not do anything with it at all next week by the looks of it. So let me get this out of the way. We'll get the parts and we'll get them stuck together. Yes, so here we have the big, it's the same size as that, and it's going to have to be some sort of underside framing or not quite. 3 screw holes there. There's 3 screw hole type things there. It's going to be under there in some description, but we're not doing anything with that yet. What we are going to be doing is putting the sticky plastic onto that and fitting these in place. These obviously only go one way round. That goes over there like that, and that one goes on that side like that. So it says hold it in place with a couple of drops of glue. They actually pop in fairly well, but I have got some thick Gorilla type glue, which I shall put a very small, so you can't even see it, dot just in a couple of places there. Corner maybe. Sure, that will be enough because they do sort of clip into place anyway. So just going to drop that in place, push it through just like that, and the same on the other side, just like that. We've got some more screens and stuff for Batman to do all of his Batman stuff. So we've got some more double-sided tape. Let me, before I peel it off, I should get my glasses of seeing on so I can actually make sure I actually peel off what I need, not leave it stuck to the backing piece. So one of these is going down there. The other one, you can probably guess exactly where that's going to go. Is it off there? Going to go on the other side just the same. Them stuck down, and then peel off the backing, leaving the sticky bit in place. Sticky bit's going to go across there. As expected. It all lines up in there. And will just be held in place like so. That in? It's not really in. Fairly in, but it's not really in. I shall have a little wibble around with it and get it into the right place and make sure it's locked down fully. But that is that. We'll do that one and that put aside as well. I've done this on the, I think I've done it on the wrong side. I think I've done it wrong. I have. I fitted it to the back. It should be fitted to the front. Right, that's why it's not gone in there very well. So I shall pop that back out of there. Yeah, this is actually going to fit on the front there. That cutout is not for that to fit on there. It's to enable the illumination at the back there. So I shall see if I can rescue that sticky back plastic. If not, I've got some more that I can use to put that on the front. It looks better on the front. Why did I not put it on the front to begin with? So that's where it's going to go. That's where I shall put it. And then I believe we're putting this aside for a later date. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more, and I shall see you very soon. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now. Yeah.